Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix why does my iPhone keeps dimming. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Even when you turn the screen brightness up, your iPhone just gets dim again. In this video I'll explain why your iPhone keeps dimming and show you how to fix the problem for good. First, you'll have to turn off auto brightness if your iPhone keeps dimming and you want it to stop. For this, open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size, scroll down and then make sure the switch next to the auto brightness is turned off and you're done. In the next step, you can check whether your night shift is turned on. For this, go to Settings, go to Display and Brightness, scroll down, go to Night Shift. Your night shift is on if the switch next to Manually Enable Until Tomorrow is turned on. Tap the switch to turn night shift off. You can turn off the switch next to Scheduled to prevent night shift from turning on automatically during certain hours of the day. And you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to make sure whether True Tone is turned on. For this, open the Settings app, go to Display and Brightness, scroll down and make sure the switch next to True Tone is turned off and you're done. If the problem persists, make sure that Low Power mode is turned off. For this, open Settings, go to Battery and make sure that switch next to the Low Power mode is turned off and you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to turn off Reduce White Point. For this, open Settings, tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size, scroll down and check if the switch is on. If the switch is on, tap on it to turn off Reduce White Point. If you like to leave Reduce White Point on, try dragging the slider all the way to the left. The farther the slider is to the right, the more the intensity of the bright colors is reduced. And you're done. Now in the next step, I'll tell you how to restart your iPhone. For this, press the volume up button and do same with the volume down button and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide it to turn your phone off. Wait for some time and then hold the power button to turn your device back on again. And you're done. Now in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to update your iPhone. Apple regularly releases software updates to introduce new iPhone features and fix troublesome bugs and errors. For this, open the Settings app, go to General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, then update your phone to the latest version of iOS and you are done. I hope this video will help you fix your iPhone keeps dimming issue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.